Hey Barbs, what's up? Welcome to my channel, and I'm back with a brand new video. And this hair is brought to you by DYHAIR777. They're known for their Cambodian hair. The packaging is really cute. This is a 16-inch loose wave 4x4 Swiss brown lace wig. Has the two combs in the front, the comb in the back, and your two adjustable straps. So this is the construction of the cap. I like the construction of the cap. I did co-wash the wig. Well, I bleached the knots. And I'm seeing how it's looking to me. Yeah, bleached the knots. As you can see, it came out really good. The density is 180 density. And like I said, it's Cambodian 100% virgin hair. Now, I will let you guys know about the pros and the cons later on in the video. But for now, take a look at this wig. It looks a little thin, quite thin. I'm not sure if it's Cambodian all the way, but like I said, I will give you guys the pros and the cons of this unit. And I'm going in to curl this hair back to where it was before I bleached the knots and washed it out. By the way, you guys use Dawn, no questions, like Slave by Jordan says. Just wash your wigs with Dawn. Amazing. So I'm going to curl this wig right back up using my perm rods, the Nairobi, and my curl rod that I got from Amazon, and it's by Bedhead. I'm sorry, you guys, if I am a little bit out of picture. I had to order a new wig stand, so I'm just using my little cart with my little wig head on there. So I apologize once again if I'm out of, out of the camera, out of the lens. I do apologize. I know I still don't know how to curl. I'm learning continuously. As I said before in my previous video, I am pretty much of a horrible curler. Yes, I know. Don't come for me, you guys. So here I am just showing you guys how the knots came out. they are out. Scalp, right? Scalp. I'm getting better and better at this bleaching the knots thing, I must say. So this wig, it's made pretty good. I'm not using a wig cap because it was made on a wig cap, if that makes sense. You know, when someone's making wigs, they use it on one of those brown caps. That's what this wig was made from, those brown, lace brown wig caps. So there's no need to put a wig cap on. I mean, for me, it's kind of pointless. So I'm just, you know, tinting the lace with my Eben tinting spray. But it's kind of weird because the lace cap was showing, so I had to push it back a little bit. And to bleach the knots, I had to, like, the front of the, underneath the wig cap was open, so I had to push it back and bleach the knots. I don't know, they kind of made it a little weird, but I mean, it worked out fine. That's not the issue that I'm having. You guys will soon find out. And I am using Eben tinting, no, not the tinting spray, the Eben adhesive lace. I use 2 layers, got it on Amazon. It works wonders. I love it. It's really good. I didn't even know that they came out with this. I saw a YouTuber with this bottle, and I was like, I gotta try that. Holds very good. So when you have a 4x4 closure, make sure you cut the 2 sides first, or 5x5 or 6x6. Just make sure you cut the 2 ends off the side first, so that you can get that frontal look and you can do your baby hairs. But I will not be doing baby hairs. It came out bouncy and pretty. I love that method, using the Nairobi and the perm rods with the curling iron. Bomb. Make sure you guys get the ultimate melt belt so y'all can melt that lace. Going in with my Care wax stick, and I'm doing a cute little high twisted bun today because it was cute. Like, I wanted to show that scalp look. You know, I wanted to show that I was giving scalp, honey. This wig was serving scalp. What lace? Look at that. Yes, I'm proud of myself. And never mind my hands, you guys. It gets so dry because I'm constantly washing my hands, or I'm using so much product, and I'll be just, you know, on a, like, just on one. But that's the life and the day of a hairstylist. I am thinking about going to cosmetology school because I love doing installs and doing hair in general. But see how the ends is really brittle, right? And thin. I don't know, DYHAIR. I don't know. Like, this is not the business. I did not like the ends, how it seemed so brittle. And I did have to bleach the knots 3 times to be honest. I know you guys said, dang, 3 times. Like, that's a little, you know, like, over the top. But no, like, if you want that scalp look and your knots is not getting bleached all the way, bleach them again. Just so, you know, you can get your money's worth. These wigs are not cheap. you want to make it look as realistic as possible. At least that's what I don't know. It seems like 3 times is a charm though. That first and second time may not go through, but that third time it's going to get the job done. And I also plucked the hairline too. It is a little bit over plucked in the front, but that's what I wanted because it looks like my hair. So it's all good. That's exactly what I wanted. So just a cute little twisted high knot. I didn't use a rubber band or a little hairpin. I just wrapped it on up with my bed head and let it freeze. And it stayed too. But yeah, the pros and the cons of this hair. The pros of this hair, let's see, you guys. I like how the cap was constructed. I like how the wig was constructed on the cap. But the hair, I don't like it. I don't recommend it. I will leave the link in the description below if you guys want it cool. But I'm going to have to order a straight wig from this company and see how it is, because this is not, I'm talking about the texture. Like, Cambodian hair is silky, fine, smooth. This hair was brittle. And at the beginning when I was showing you guys the hair, right, it was just like, just rough. It didn't feel rough. It just looked a mess. It looked a mess. I don't know. I didn't like it. I don't like the texture. But I finessed it. I made it look, the best way I can do. But I don't recommend this loose wave. I'm sure that Cambodian straight hair is silky, but I thought it was going to be more silky to the touch and to the look, and it was not. So, I don't know, DHY. I'm going to give them another shot, like I said, but not what I was thinking in my mind. This hair is not cheap. These companies charge us so much money. They should be giving us what it is, what we're going to order, and stop playing with our emotions, because I'm not feeling that. But yeah, this is the final look, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment on my Barbie Boutique 818 page. Send me a shout out, or let me know what you guys think on my Instagram, Barbie Boutique 818. I will see you guys on the next one. Love you. Stay blessed and stay safe. Thank you for watching.